So I am going to go ahead and start cutting this.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona. I do this for real.
I have a 2018 Ford F-150 here. This is the aluminum bodied truck. This one, I got to do a repair on the cab corner right here. I already have the new door hanging on here so I can check my gap. I got to work that out. And then this one also gets a bedside and all the wheelhouse pieces, the 3 wheelhouse pieces in there. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start working this cab corner out and get that straightened out. Then I will dive into the bedside. Onto the bedside. So I am going to go ahead and start cutting this bedside and the wheelhouse pieces all out. Get this one all cut apart, then I'll start fitting up the new pieces. So I got this one all cut apart. I just about have my center wheelhouse section ready to go in. It gets rivet bonded through here. So I will do that, and then I will start fitting up my outer panel. But that's a wrap for the day. I will talk to you guys tomorrow.